Welcome back. Some of you might know what mountains those are. They're the Hawaii's. And right below there, somewhere is Silver City, which is the name of this road. And we're going to drive up it as far as we can until it says no. It's a fucking nature show! Welcome back. My advice for you today is, make sure to check up on your friends. You never know, man. It's tough being a human out here, especially out here in the Oahu's. I imagine it would be tough, but there's help out there. Welcome back. We're on the downhill now. I hear the sound of water. Yeah. So we're just gonna keep going. Well, that's it. We made it to the UFO landing pad. This is where I would land if I was a UFO. It's a pretty dope spot. That's pretty cool. Just land in right here. I don't know. I don't know what this hole's for. It's a fucking nature show!
In the rugged heart of Idaho's Owyhee Mountains, ancient rhyolite cliffs born from the fires of the Yellowstone, hotspot 16 million years ago, tower like silent guardians over the land. Below them, Cinca Creek snakes through its dramatic zigzag canyon, patiently carving a twisting path between the volcanic battlements.
Oh yeah, don't forget to go to the store and get a t-shirt. There's plenty of different ones. This is the Sucker Creek. Woo!
Here, in this timeless volcanic realm, ancient geology meets modern exhilaration in a dance as old as play itself.